Daily English Sentences. Part 2. Listen carefully. Who all came? Who all came? Now, you say. Who gave you money? Who gave you money? Say. Why so late? Why so late? Say. What now? What now? Say. Who told you? Who told you? Say. What's going on? What's going on? Say. Who is this? Who is this? Say. Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Say. What do you want? What do you want? Say. Where were you? Where were you? Say. Don't lie. Don't lie. Say. Stop this. Stop this. Say. Listen to me. Listen to me. Say. Wait for me. Wait for me. Say. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Say. I knew it. I knew it. Say. I don't care. I don't care. Say. That's enough. That's enough. Say. Not again. Not again. Say. I'm serious. I'm serious. Say. Are you sure? Are you sure? Say. How was it? How was it? Say. Who was there? Who was there? Say. What happened? What happened? Say. Why me? Why me? Say. Practice daily and improve your English. Follow for Part 3.